Receiver lock provides added security and theft deterrence while towing. 1/2 in trailer hitch locking pin is rated up to 3,500 pounds. Class 1 and 2. 5/8 in trailer hitch locking pin is rated up to 10,000 pounds. Class 3 and IV. Locking head rotates 360 degrees, allowing keyway to conveniently face forward. Receiver lock features push-to-lock locking mechanism to ensure a secure lock every time. Push head firmly onto the pin and remove key. Snap-on cover provides weather resistance and prevents dirt and moisture from entering keyway. 4-pin cylinder for added security to prevent lock picking. 5/8 in 16 mm diameter pin fits 2 in 51 mm receiver tubes. Class 3 IV. 1/2 in 13 mm diameter pin fits 1-1/4 in 32 mm receiver tubes. Class 2. Usable length of each chrome hitch pin lock is 2-3/4 in 70 mm. Included components: 2 pins, 2 keys, 1 locking swivel head. For compatibility with bike or other storage racks, please consult the rack manufacturer's recommendations prior to using this product. The Master Lock 2866 DAT features 1/2 inch, 13 mm, and 5/8 inch, 16 mm, swivel head receiver locks. The receiver lock includes the push-to-lock locking mechanism, easily used by pushing the lock body firmly onto the pin and removing the key. The weather-tough seal and watertight cap provides additional protection from moisture and dirt. 4-pin cylinder for added pick resistance. Top reviews from the United States. Good price, good quality. I had a cheaper one and it didn't last one winter. This one is much better quality. You have to keep the rubber cap on it to keep out road grime. Operates well after a year of use.